The auto roll feature is used to set and maintain the roll of the vehicle. The button to activate auto roll is located here. When activated, the icon will turn green. When deactivated, the icon will turn blue. Before activating auto roll, the vehicle will need to be beneath the water surface. Submerge the vehicle manually or use auto depth or auto altitude to maintain the vehicle beneath the water surface. To activate auto roll, simply press the icon with your finger by using the touchscreen or click the icon using the mouse cursor. When activated, you'll notice two white numbers appear inside the green box located on the left side of the heading bar. These two numbers are the auto pitch and auto roll set point values. If using the VideoRay hand controller, the vehicle's roll will maintain itself at the degree it was at when the auto roll feature was activated. To change the auto roll set point value using the Xbox hand controller, press the cycle modes button to change the mode section until it displays pitch and roll. Press the B button to increase the roll's set point value. The value will increase by 5 degrees on each button press. Press the X button to decrease the roll's set point value. The value will decrease by 5 degrees on each button press.